How to make pancakes. What you need: cooking oil, milk, flour, sugar, eggs. Put an egg in a bowl. Add 3 teaspoons of sugar. Add half a cup of milk. Add 3 teaspoons of oil. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Mix. Add 1 cup of self-rising flour. Mix. Apply oil to your pan. Scoop 1/8 of your perfectly mixed batter and slowly pour on the pan. Be sure to use low to medium flame. Wait until the formation of the bubbles stops. Flip. Add maple syrup. Taste. Too salty? Don't worry. Add sugar. 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 Mix well. Add eggs. Mix. Serve and enjoy.